Hey everybody, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm super happy to be doing a collaboration with my friend Ali. We met at the YouTube Montreal event a little while ago now, quite a while ago, and we were thinking about how we could do a collaboration because Ali does a lot of foodie videos and she's doing a few videos on the theme of Halloween. So I was thinking that we could do a collaboration. So Ali has two channels. She has one in Spanish called Yo Te Explico and one in English called, what was it called?
Ali in Canada.
Ali in Canada. And I'll put links below to her channel. So Ali, do you want to tell us a little bit about you?
Yes, hi. Thank you very much for inviting me because I love these collaborations because we're talking about food, but how we can join like food and wires. I think that's very interesting. And yeah, I'm Ali. I live in Canada, in Montreal, and that's all. I have two channels, one in English and one in Spanish. So if you want to practice Spanish,
Great idea.
If not, just in English.
Perfect. So yeah, we'll put the links below to her channels, and she's on her channel. She's going to be doing videos on what to do with these bamboo skewers, and so you can check her out.
What you're going to need for this project are the bamboo skewers, of course. I got them at the dollar store. Cutters, flat pliers, round pliers, and this artistic copper wire. I'm using 20 gauge, and it's in the black color. So I created these templates for the different shapes that we're making. You can either freehand the drawings yourself, or if you would like a copy of the template, you can email me at info@heatherboydwire.com. I'll put the link below. And what we're going to do is I'm starting with an 18-inch piece of wire, and we're going to start about there. So we have enough to go around. And what you want to do is actually bend this bit here. You can use a Sharpie or a pen just to make a kind of a round form to start off the head. And then either with your fingernail or with the pointy pliers, you can just bend it down like that. And you can even make a template with a wood block. I have instructions in my full wire art course that's available for sale, how to make your own templates. So you can do that. I'm actually finding this easier to do just with my fingernail. If you don't have fingernails, you can use pliers. But I'm just going to trace around the shape like that. And then the thing about this copper wire, it's pretty easy to work with. You can make nice round forms with it. So we're just going to form that around like that. And then when you get to the middle, you can just leave it like that. I don't think I need the marker now. So we're going to go like this. If you want to see how to do it with the pliers, what I would do is just put my finger where I want to bend it and lift it up and bend it down like that. So you can definitely do it either with the pliers or with your fingernail. And so now I'm going to just go back to doing it with my fingernail. And like I said, if you don't have fingernails and you want to just lift it off the template and hold it with the pliers, you can do that too. And don't worry if it's not like perfectly on the template. It's really not a big deal. If it's not symmetrical, these are just really fun. In fact, sometimes they look better when they're a little off center, like if they're a little wonky. So there we go. We have I'll remove the template so we can see it better. So there's our bat shape. And then what you want to do is just bend this wire down. And then this one, we want to make sure it's somewhat centered. And we'll just wind this end around a couple of times. And we'll just cut it like that. And we'll give it a little bit of a pinch to hold it so it doesn't like go all over the place. And then we're going to put it on our skewer. So what I'm going to do is actually kind of bend it a little to the side, hold it on the end of the skewer, and wrap it around a few times. Now, you'll want to be able to take it off the skewer so you can reuse it, you know, because after you use the skewer once, you probably want to throw it out or wash it. And so what I'm going to do is just screw it around like that. Okay. And then to loosen it up, you can just kind of back it up a little bit like that so it's a little bit loose. And then you can actually pull it off, and we'll cut the end like that. And then that way you can actually put it on and off. And if you find it slips off, just give it a pinch. Every time you put it on a new skewer, you just give it a little pinch, a little bit to hold it in place. And then you could loosen it up after you've used it. Now, if the shape's a little off, it's okay. You can just adjust it like that.
Watching the video, these turned out so well. Thanks, Allie, for collaborating.
No, thank you. I think it was a great idea.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for inviting me also.
Oh, my pleasure. And be sure to check out Allie's 2 channels. I'm going to link them up below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY videos for wire art and jewelry. And if you have any suggestions for projects you want me to do tutorials for, just put them in the comments below. Happy Halloween!
And subscribe to her channel. It's very, very interesting.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.